Hey guys, Johnny Champa here for Johnny Champa's Fun Fact Fridays in Real Estate, and today I'm going to be talking about some more data about where the market was in May versus where the market was in December in Bend and Redmond. And you see, May historically is one of the highest priced months and one of the lowest days on market, so houses are selling fast, and there's a lot of them selling, kind of that spring rush as we all see. You get an accepted offer in April and you close in May. So I'll go through the statistics really quick. May, our median house price in Bend, Oregon was $466. In December, it fell to $440,000. May, there was 232 sales in the month of May, and in December there was 205 sales, a little bit less, which 205 is very high still for December. So I want you to be very aware that the real estate market is still chugging along very strong. We're still getting a lot of transactions happening, still having some sort of low inventory area, especially in those lower price ranges below $800,000 in Bend. Other than that, average days on market in May was 66 days, and this includes the escrow period of the 40-day escrow period. And in December, that average days on market was 91. So now Bend right there, that means that yes, in May we had a very active market, and because of that, it did raise prices to that $466,000. And since then, we've seen some things in the economy, the world, or the nationwide economy as a whole, not just the real estate market, that made people, hey, yes, I believe strongly in the economy. However, I don't know if we're going to be appreciating at this insane rate of 10, 12, 14% even. So what buyers are now, I believe, doing is consciously saying, hey, I'm not going to overpay. I want to get a good deal instead of just whatever it takes buying the house. We're still seeing multiple offers on properties, however, not as much. I'm going to go through Redmond really quick. However, Redmond is much more stable. The numbers are really close. So in May, Redmond's average sales price was $328. In December, it is $325. Very flat. Sales in May was 109. Once again, one of the higher months. December being usually one of the lower. So December, there was 71 sales in Redmond. Days on market in Redmond in May was 75. Very average for that spring rush. And then days on market in December in Redmond was 118 average days on market. So really, Redmond's just following that very basic trail of a flat-lined appreciation, seasonality a little bit, not too much, then kind of also following the seasonality of how many sales and how long the properties are on market. So right now, going into 2020, we're in a good spot. We really are. There's very low interest rates, as I've said before, that 3.7 area. However, properties are appreciating, and there's a really strong market for both buyers and sellers with the help of a real estate professional, knowing which properties are good out there and which ones are not. So that's all I got for Fun Fact Friday for Johnny, and talk to you next week.